Hi friends, my name is V. Chandra Suresh Reddy. Now I am doing the Computer Networks Lab 11th experiment 892.11 Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi means wireless fidelity. This net lab I will show the process how do we want to do this one. Now I am starting the first experiment, getting started, downloading the zip file. First we want to download the zip file and extract the file Wireshark 8.2.11 camp. This was a collection using a 8 pack and the Wireshark running in a computer and the home networks on of one of the author consisting of links 802.11g combined access point routers with 2 wide PCs and one wireless hold PC attached to the access point router. The author in the fortunate to have other access point in the neighbor house available as well. In this one we want to download these files and we want to extract these files. I have already done this file and I have extracted this file. For this I want to start this and I want to first I will start my Wireshark. Let us see, I am starting my Wireshark. I have connected to the Ethernet. Now I am opening the Ethernet. These files are capturing here. These code TP links, these all files are capturing here. For this process I want to find 24.82 at t is equal to 24.82 at the host of the HTTP request to the IP address of 128. For this I want to find this IP address. For that I am opening the Wireshark. For this I want to stop this capturing of packets. I want to open the file. I want to open these and I want to go for the Wireshark 802.11 and I want to extract this file in this Wireshark. I am extracting this. Continue without saving. After this we all got these packets. See, this is the packets we have got. See, I will show you. This one we have got here. For this we want to, now what we want to do means we want to find the t is equal to 24.82, the host make the HTTP. For this we want to find this IP address. For this IP address we want to find this. I will show you 24.82. Yeah, this 24.82. These IP address I will show you. Travel, these app coach, frame number. For this IP address 82.80, these I have shown here. I will show you these. Which is the source destination these of the protocol which I will show you here. This is the 128.11 at the t is equal to 32.82, the HTTP mask. This shows the, now I will show gas mask. This shows the Cisco, and for the t is equal to, I will show you, t is equal to 32.82, the host HTTP will show the UMAS A2. Okay, I will show you. 32.82. For these 32 point also, it's showing the Cisco. These also having the address like this. Also, we can show you the 49.58. T is equal to destination at IP, and that comes the link section. Let I will show you the 49.58. This is the 49.58. It is showing the Cisco leaf. It's having the same. See, it's having these time period and these captions having these like. See, these are the having these. Having these IP address like this. Also, I will show you the T is equal to 63.0. The host is the Skyline 2408 AP. 63.30 we want to show. 63.0. 63.0. Yeah. Now we have find out the 63.0. This is the 63 Cisco. It's having these destinations, and this is the code of this one. It's having these destination of ports and these things. Now we have completed these. Also, we have opened the downloaded the file workshop. This we have shown here. This is that, which is the file. After this, now beacon frameworks. Recall the host became the 802.11 AP at the extension. It's to answer some of the questions will be in the IE 802.11 frame by the. For these all questions I have already done in my POC. See, these I have already done in my POC, but also I will show you in this Wireshark. Now I will show you the what means the 24.82. I want to open this thing. For this I will go for here 24.82. For these I want to I will found these all answers I will find here. We can find all the answers by here. What the first question means, what is the SSID of the two access points that are issuing most of the backend frames in the trace. Now we want to find the trace SSID of these two access points. We can find here. Also what is the interval of the time between the transaction and the beacons that I have done here means the SCS 24083 SSID of the 30 means I will show here. SCS is the channel frequency 2439 SCS. SCS, that number we have got here, that I have done here. This is the SES number. And for the second question, what are the intervals time between the transition of become frames in the 24089? For these, I will access the points. The become is 802.11 while at for the 1024 seconds. That I will see here. We have taken the time reference for 24.82, but I have got the different in different times. It got the different answer by doing this experiment. What is the source MAC address of the beacon from the 30 micron? Recall figure in the text source, destination and the BSS are three addresses used in the 802 frames. For the detailed discussion of the 802.11 frame structure, 3 section 7. We can see the answer. The source of the MAC address of the 34 becomes the frame is this one is 0016. Yes, 0016 transmission address. This is the 6 core address which I have shown here. This is the answer for this. After that, what is the max BSC ID on the beacon frame of the 30 MRPs? This is the 06 BFS which I have shown. After that, the beacon frame for 30 minutes points adventure the access points. What supports the data rates and either additional and time support rate? What are these rates that I show here? The support rates are 1020 5.5. These are the MBPS rates extended to 6 to 9 12. These extended to here. See here, these are extended to here 1.9 to the some of the rates are extended. See here, these extended to 6 to 8 not like these are the values that are extended. After these beacon frames, we want to do the data transfer. In this data transfer, when these started at the trace of the 8, we have done these traces at the 24.82. also we have done the HTTP message. This is the 24.82 means 24.82 is this is the Cisco. This is the 24.82 of the out official Xerox of an acknowledgement number. This is the thing that we are doing here. This is the data transfer. Find the 802.11 frame consisting of since TSPT. For the download alike file, what is the 3 MAC addresses fields in this in the 802.11 frame? These I will show you these two answers. Find the 802.11 frame also by Synapse segment for the TCP section. For this I have done already, so I will show here. For the TCP sinks, T is equal to 24.81 24.81109. This is the Cisco of these 8th question. And also the what is the 802.11? For these, the transaction at T is equal to 24.8. MAC addresses of the this is the MAC address of for these TCP SYNAC and the MAC address we want to show 24.82. In this we can show these TCP 24.82. In this we can show the this is the destination address and the TCP Cisco. Yeah, this is the TCP Cisco which is the address we have shown here. For this FSCC management, for these BSS source, and this is the answers for the 0.668 0.16 B7. See here the source address and the destination address is these. For this, after we are doing the third one, association and dissociation. For this experiment, these all answers also we have done here. Let I show you this 9th one. At what are the top actions are taken? That we are taken at the top actions means the IP address of 192.68. This is the DHCP server we have done the most, and the examine the track field that look authentication frames sent from the host name to the AP vice versa. These starting at round at the 99 T49, we have done the first authentication for the host IP address. T is 49.6388. I will show you 49.63. I will show you the 49.63. See, this is the 49.63, which is the MAC address. This is having shown here for the authentication for the AP. T is equal to for these. Also, does the host authentication has requested to use the authentication for the key of 24.0826 AP. Yes, we want to go for 24.0826 for the authentication. What the answer? Let's see. The host is requesting the association to be open. 24 point. We want to go for the 24. Let's see 24. See, this is the 24.0. This is opening. The beacon frames are the opening. After this, now let's consider the happening the host by trying the authentication link section 24086. Now also we want to do the same that we have shown here. 63.8 T is equal to 63.16 is the authentication frame sent from the this address. For this address I will show you in the 63. In the 63 I will show you 633.168. This is that 63.168 Intel core. This is the answer for these which I have done here. T. After these, now in the association request frame, the support rate and advertisement of 1 to 5.5, these are the 54 Mbps. The same rates are advertised in the associative response. For these, what are the transmission rates for the host willing to use? These are the 802.11 wireless LAN management frame. For these are the associative requests have been done, and the final answer we are doing that other frame types. What are the sender, receiver and BSMD ID MAC address in these frames? What is the purpose of these two types of frames? T 2.297. Let's see from 1. Two point 2.217. It's not there. That I've opened now. 2.297. 0.297. This is the broadcast which has been request, which is the request BFFS for this, which is the request one. This has in the same source. Let I show you here. This is the source address and the transmission address and the destination address having these same that I got, and the response of these also I have got the same. We have completed this experiment. Thank you.